Hi tubes, Redneck Garage here. In this video, this is going to be a short and sweet in the house video. It's really cold outside and I didn't want to go fire up the heater just to do this little portion of a video I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to thank you guys for like, sharing, and subscribing, and I definitely wanted to thank you guys for all of the awesome messages that I get. I really enjoy those messages. Sometimes I get a lot of messages from you guys. So it really means a lot to me, guys. Some of the nicest thing you guys say. I know every YouTube channel has its haters, and I have a few that comes with all channels. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I really appreciated it. And I definitely appreciate all of the donations that I've gotten so far. Also, if you want to support the channel, whether it be $1 or whatever, you can PayPal me, and I'll hopefully have a thing right under here. You'll see my email. Plus, it'll be in the link in the description. My email will be in the description, along with the links from the stuff that I'm going to show you today. But I just wanted to take that moment and let you guys know how much I appreciate everybody and how much support Redneck Garage channel has gotten. We're growing pretty rapidly, and I want to keep it that way. I want to keep doing all the videos that we can do. Sorry guys, the light's a little bright on the camera, so... And there, look, another message from another subscriber. Yeah, guys, I really like reading those messages. It makes my day. We're gonna get into this video. I don't want to make it too long for you guys. What I have here, I opened a lot of it, but it's all from Amazon. And again, links will be in the description as to where you can get all this stuff. I told you guys. Remember when I shared the video for the turn signals? I told you guys I was going to be getting my machine street legal and everything. So I put together my own turn signal kit for you guys. The only thing I don't have here is a little roll of wire that you will need and some heat shrink crimp ends. I don't have those here. I have them stocked in the shop, but what you'll see here today, aside from the shifter handle, just for the turn signal kit, it was $29. That is assuming that you have some wire and you have some crimp ends. But other than those two things, $29. And I went with things that had really good reviews and whatnot. But we'll also have a video of showing you how to install it. I know the other video he told you how to install it, and he did a great job, but I'm going to show you how to install it. So first things up, and I'm going to get to every little component, is the little LED lights that I purchased. They were, I don't know, they were $9 for 10 lights or something like that. Let's see. Yeah, 5 orange and 5 red. 4 orange will go up front, 4 red will go in the rear. And then I don't know what you're going to do with the extra orange and red one. I guess save them just in case you have a problem. I have not had these out of the pack yet. I played with them while they was in the pack, but I did not take them out, as you can tell. They look like they're sealed up really well. In there, they have nice little rubber grommets around the LED. Now, I'm assuming you pull the rubber grommet off, you drill your hole, you put your rubber grommet in the hole, and then you slide in the LED. That's probably going to be the easiest. And wow, they really did seal the insides of these LEDs. They did a good job. There's a lot of air bubbles in there, but it's sealed up. And you're not going to get air bubbles out of silicone. Plus, you're not even going to see it. It's going to be hidden in the plastic. Well, yeah, there's those. They look pretty good, actually. I can't wait to show you guys the switch I picked out. I wanted to go with something different. Plus, I liked it. Let's try the red here. Again, same thing. They are nice and sealed up. Got the rubber grommet. Let me see if I can show you. This rubber grommet isn't just plain old rubber. It has some like little accent notches on it. I hope you can see that. Hope so. It's got some accent notches, which kind of makes it look, you know, a little better than just a plain old rubber grommet. And I gotta figure out what drill bit will. These are 3/4 inch. Yeah, 3/4 inch. 12 volt, 5 amber, 5 red. And I'll have the link down below for this, so you guys can do your own turn signal kit here. Let's set this stuff aside. Now, I know I want to answer a question. Somebody was concerned about this. And if you go with LED, I'll get to that in a second. If you want to go with LED, you need this LED flasher. You don't need an adjustable one, but that'd be nice to adjust it to your liking. But this thing alone was like $8. Oh, maybe 10, I don't remember. But it was $29, free shipping for everything. Somebody was worried about this being waterproof. Well, I can't really answer the question because I don't know if it's waterproof or not. But what I can tell you is if you install it in the panel up under the dash behind the switches, you should have no problems. But if you're too worried about it, if you're really, really worried about it, okay, you could get yourself a little sealed container. I'm just going to put mine under the dash. I don't see why we'll have any problems with it. You can get yourself a little sealed container, drill a little hole, put your wires through it, silicone that hole shut, put this flasher in there, put the lid on, and I mean a little container. They make little containers. Put it in there, Velcro it so it doesn't move around and flop around the dash. There you go. Waterproof. Or you could take some dielectrical grease and you could pack it down around this knob and you could pack it all on the bottom of this. Granted, that's going to collect dirt, but it won't let no water pass. And it'll wipe right off if you ever need to work on it. So, but me, I'm just going to leave it alone. I think it'll be fine. I mean, unless you're one of those guys that use your machine as a boat. I don't think you'll have any problems. But again, buy a boat. You can buy a boat cheaper than you can a CFMOTO. See, oh man, here. I've been excited for this switch all day. I bought a little round switch. It's a two-way switch. It's waterproof. This is a waterproof switch. There you go. That would be like left. This would be right. But yeah, I don't have room for any more switches. I didn't want to buy a switch panel just yet, and I figured this would go really nice right beside the steering wheel on that plastic panel. And then you could just reach down and turn them on, turn them off, turn them on, turn them off. I was really excited. I was actually shocked because I was looking at the push button switches and I was going to do one for left and one for right. But I was like, that would look cool, but that might look a little tacky. Hey, honey. Yeah? Can you do something with the dog? People on YouTube don't want to hear her whining. Anyway, I thought it would look a little tacky, so I went for the same approach, but I wanted to do a three-way switch. So, or two-way switch, whatever they call them. But I'll have the link in the description for that. It wasn't too bad on price. He was tired. Not even sleeping that great. But yeah. So we're going to hook it all up. Probably in the next video. Not sure. I got to go get some heater juice, and that way I don't run out. Get the garage warmed up. We might do it this weekend because I'm trying to get my machine street legal. So hopefully we can make that happen, Captain. And you guys seen the shifter mod for my wife's side-by-side. Well, I decided to do my own, and I did a halfway decent job on this thing. It turned out okay. It's gonna get beat up by being used a lot anyway, so but yeah, turned out good. I think turned out real good. This is like $18. They have the silver ones, they have the blue ones, red ones, then they have some different kinds of these. I didn't particularly care for the other kind. Jeez. Sorry, guys. So, yeah. That's what we're up to. And I want to let you guys know that this is what your donations pay for. Whenever you donate to my channel, I put it back into the channel. If you feel like you want to donate to the channel, that's awesome. If you don't have to. You know, it's all right. Not everybody's able to. Not everybody wants to. That's not a big deal. It's just whatever you can do helps. Even if you just share it, that helps. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and so far we're climbing up pretty fast. I just want to keep the content coming. The more people interested, the more interested I am in making videos. To be honest with you guys, I really had no intentions on making my bike street legal, and then somebody kind of got under my skin a little bit and told me that they got their machine street legal and it actually wasn't. And I told them the process they needed to take. They basically called me a liar. So the whole reason of me going the street legal route is to show them how it was done. I have a problem with, let's put it this way, I have to be right all the time or I get mad. A lot of times. Sometimes I don't, but a lot of times I gotta be right all the time. So it's more of like a pissing match. Gotta show them how it's done. So that's the whole reason why I'm doing that. But I want to thank you guys for the donations, because that's what that bought. And I also bought me a customized redneck garage flag for the back of my side-by-side. I bought a 2x3, so I'm hoping it's not too big, because that's the smallest they had. And I wanted to replace the whip flag on my whip, but it's small. So I'm still gonna put the flag on my whip, I think, as long, I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. I might have to get a flagpole and mount up there, but we'll figure it out for sure. Alright guys, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Donate to the PayPal if you'd like. Send me stuff. Send me, if there's something you want me to do a video on, send it to me. I don't need money, I just need videos. I need the stuff to make videos. So, alright. Redneck Garage out. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you all later. And we'll see you in the garage in the next video. Maybe the video before you see this one. I don't know yet. I just got to get my lazy butt over to get some more fuel and get out there and start drilling holes and put this puppy on. Alright guys,